upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions without pulling out all your hair. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. We have two contenders in the ring. On the left, the Eureka E10s, and on the right, the Lefant M210 Pro. Let's see which one will suck the best. Cut to a split screen with Eureka E10s on the left and Lefant M210 Pro on the right. Ready, set, clean. First up, let's talk money, because, who doesn't love saving a few bucks? Cut to Eureka E10s price, $699. The Eureka E10s is priced at $699. Ouch, that's almost like buying a small island. But it promises a lot, so let's see if it's worth it. Cut to Lefant M210 Pro price, $209. On the other hand, we have the Lefant M210 Pro at just $209. You could buy 3 of these and still have enough left for a decent steak dinner. Take that, Eureka! Next up, the self-emptying feature. Because who wants to touch all that gunk, right? Cut to Eureka E10s with self-emptying station highlighted. Eureka E10s boasts a bagless self-emptying station that can hold up to 45 days of dirt. That's like having a tiny butler who never complains and doesn't need a tip. Plus, it saves you about $70 a year on dust bags. Cha-ching! Reviewers love this feature for its convenience and efficiency. Cut to Lefant M210 Pro. Lefant M210 Pro. Well, it says, empty your own bin, peasant. No self-emptying here, folks. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a gym membership. Good intentions, but you still have to do the work. Reviewers find this a bit cumbersome but manageable considering the price. Now, let's see which one has the suction power to clean up after your messy life. Cut to Eureka E10s with 4,000 pascals suction power. Eureka E10s comes with a whopping 4,000 pascals of suction power. That's like having a mini tornado in your living room but without the flying cows. Pet hair, dust, crumbs, you name it, it's gone. Reviewers rave about its strong suction, especially for pet owners. Cut to Lefant M210 Pro with unique suction mouth. Lefant M210 Pro has a unique suction mouth designed to eat up pet hair and dirt with 90% efficiency. It's like a Dyson on a diet. Not as powerful as Eureka, but great for those fur babies. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness on hard floors and its quieter operation. Let's talk navigation, because nobody wants a robot that gets stuck more often than a cat in a paper bag. Cut to Eureka E10s with precision LiDAR navigation. Eureka E10s uses precision LiDAR navigation. It's like having a GPS for your vacuum, avoiding obstacles, cleaning corners, and not missing a spot. Even your grandma's antique vase is safe. Reviewers highlight its efficient mapping and obstacle avoidance. Cut to Lefant M210 Pro with Free Move 3.0 technology. Lefant M210 Pro uses Free Move 3.0 technology with built-in anti-collision sensors. It's like the vacuum is playing a game of Pac-Man, dodging everything in its path. Maybe not as fancy as LiDAR, but it gets the job done without causing a ruckus. Reviewers find it reliable for general cleaning, though it lacks advanced mapping features. Last but not least, let's see how tech-savvy these little guys are with their app controls. Cut to Eureka E10s with full customized app control. Eureka E10s lets you customize everything through its app, set cleaning zones, no-go areas, and schedule cleaning times. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a day off. Reviewers appreciate the user-friendly app and customizable features. Cut to Lefant M210 Pro with smart app and voice controls. Lefant M210 Pro also has an app and even supports voice controls via Alexa and Google Assistant. You can basically boss it around from your couch. Hey Alexa, tell Lefant to clean up my Dorito disaster. Now that's living the dream! Reviewers find it easy to set up and use, though some had issues with the app on Android. Overall, the Eureka E10s is praised for its powerful suction, efficient navigation, and convenient self-emptying feature. Reviewers find it to be a great addition to their cleaning routine, especially for pet owners. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness on hard floors. However, some users noted drawbacks such as the lack of reusable maps and less effective pet hair pickup on carpets. Host returns to the center screen. So there you have it, folks. The Eureka E10s with its luxury features and high price tag versus the budget-friendly and practical Lefant M210 Pro. Which one will you choose? The Mini Tornado or the Pac-Man? Let us know in the comments below. Cut to split screen with Eureka E10s and Lefant M210 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.